Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can get an access token in Figma. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your Figma account, and once you're on the Figma homepage, go to your profile on the top left of your screen, and then on the drop-down menu, go to Settings. After that, we're going to click on Security right here, and we're going to go to Personal Access Token. Once you find it, we're going to click on Generate New Token. And then from here, we're going to type in the token name that we're going to use. We can set the expiration day for this said token. And then we have a lot of options to give it access for comments, current user, dev resources, and other options. Then, once you choose an access for it, click on Generate Token. Then, you can copy this and you can use it for whatever you need it for. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!